Please, how can I locate this address?
Okay.
I'm showing you the address. Yeah.
Okay, the address. Okay, that's the person you're looking for, or what?
It's the location. I'm trying to locate this address now. Yeah. Do you know the place?
Wait. Have you used a Google Map?
Yes, I've been using Google Map, and the Google Map is turning me around, and I don't know. I can't even locate the place.
Serious?
Please, do you know the place?
Sorry if I may ask. The person you're looking for, is he a woman or a man?
I don't understand. I'm only asking you address, please.
Yes, I want to know the destination you're going to, so I'll know how to help.
Please, I'm begging you. I want to locate this. Just don't ask me if I'm looking for a man or a woman. I just want to go to this location now. I've been stranded since morning. Please.
Okay.
Yeah.
In case you don't know this address, my address is available.
I don't understand. What does that mean?
Calm down now. Why you? You know the way I come to see you.
Excuse me. I'm just asking your address and you are trying to talk to me anyhow. What's the problem?
Because the address you're looking for is not available. So my own address is available. Is it a bad advice?
See, if this is a place, just stop it. I don't like it.
I don't understand. Who is playing?
It's okay. If you don't want to tell me the address, you can go, please.
I don't understand. See this one. What's it gonna be that one now? Oh, because I tried to assist you. Now you don't chance me, you change up for me. For what now?
I beg your pardon.
Which pardon? Not beg my pardon because not try. See person I want just help because I want just manage you.
Oh, because I dey speak for and I make you just dey see, make I no change am for you. If you don't know that, just tell me say no.
You don't change am for me. You don't change am. See you. No.
Look at this one, no.
Only now the girl way they even the fight, the girl don't leave you. Now so you go. Well. See person I want manage. See what I want manage. Even the croc.
I do my boss house. Which kind of me na mate. Which kind? See, no insult me. Which kind of be that one? If you don't want to tell me that, just dey go. Just give me make I do come back where the number no dey connect.
Listen to me. As you dey like this now, before say if I want to do anything, say with you, say I go first give you medicine. I go first cure you.
Wait, what did they bring all this one now? So because some people that's why I just ask you. Now they try to insult my beauty.
You don't even wear trouser. I don't even understand. I don't even know what it is.
This is where I like to dress. This is me.
Pocketless man. Now you got the fine address like wait, I don't know.
Let me insult.
Person I want manage. I want manage you. Not be saying any.
If not be one thing now, I for don't bound you put inside boot carry the go where to go.
Okay, I don't fit do am for this area. I don't fit do am. If you do am, man, no way to cause am. You don't fit do am. See this one. When they work carry quarter. I don't quarter. I go first cure you.
Na me say go first. I don't blame you now. This boss has why we're inside.
I go give you medicine. Which boss?
Look at this one, no.
Only you don't wear boss. You know
go.
You know how wear boss.
This kind of nonsense be this one now. You just the see person, just the insult them anyhow. Simple address why I just ask you. Do this, sir.
Why are you quarreling children?
I put location and I was looking for address. I just showed her, please, can you help me to direct me to this place? She started looking at me.
English.
English.
And I ain't custom. Your English no sound well for my ear. The small one where I don't hear and it in the sound like where they crack a pan.
You want start your own?
No, besides one start. Which address you find?
See here. Since when I don't they look for this address?
Na person house. You put am for Google.
Now Google they carry me there. I don't know what Google they do. Just
number 4 Igagajichi. Close. Okay, now close with that. Hey,
you know
close. Okay, close. We let that road. The thing go there. Now that side that they go, but I don't know. Before we reach there, maybe you go they drive. Make I they follow you the waka.
Now there they go.
Now that's
there.
Yeah.
Could they go? Now that girl they insult me.
They don't close the road. Now make the right that close.
Okay.
They don't close the road, but then another option way. Now that option way I want follow go.
I for say this Google just they turn me around.
Google, Google here can no. You took a hand to two.
Go enter Moko.
Sometimes get a hand Google lawyer. No, go front. I go there for front.
Now you go show me road, Oga. Go enter. Not that girl just insult me. Not that I need to address why I ask him.
No verse. Oh my sugar. We let her got your address. What do you expect?
No. If I no ask him now. So I go straight now. Come.
In mess.
I no understand.
Some young boy they put perfume inside their motor. You take and carry fufu.
I can close your nose. Just the point, make it close your nose if they perceive anything. Close them. Just they look straight the point.
They go straight. If you reach that junction, you corner right.
Right. Now what you go talk? No be say you go there. Tell me say my motor does smell.
Let's go. Hey.
So you say if I reach, close your nose, make me know. I don't like to go with the talker. If I reach then I go.
They go front. If you reach front like this, you go right.
I dare the close there.
The close that road they don't close and I make they put that close. Go English, they know they are in the baby.
That girl insulting me.
Hey, I made a mistake. Go turn back.
Make a turn.
We go turn. This place now, another street. Ha!
Okay, what's here?
It be like saying I'm from latrine I come out from. Hey, Ushina na moto buke bolem. Ida chambo to mini, give man moto, he moto get yeah, charity did not begin to go. Anyway, now here they go.
Now here now be the address I show you.
Which address? Your own address. I know constantly the road contact on her to me. Now here be me and one go. So you go back to that place where you carry me before. From there you ask them.
I don't understand. What did they talk, Oga?
What do you don't understand why I talk?
You say now waiting, I don't understand. What you just talk?
I say, that place where you take carry me, that bus junction where you carry me. You go no road, go back there. When you don't reach that junction, you turn, go back there, park. Before 1 hour plus, you go see people where they come back. Where know this your address? May they show you. I know be Google. The thing I don't Google. I mean no gree Google. My head no carrier. So now here me they go. I'm meaning to go about this road.
Make I tell you. Make I not insult you, make you not insult. Now this red cap now the respect. I go take me what they work out for this town now. If you enter, you take go right, go left. Now your heart they find since.
What do you want make I do before now your own house I go?
But I know the address. Tell me, say like, you know the address. Make me say go.
Address I know now. I'm not be here. They go. I don't know my address. Now you carry me come here. Oh, not my address where you show me. You show me address where they don't close. You know see close there.
Make it if you don't to other people go free. You know go free.
What you go do?
You go come you go down.
What you go do?
Okay. You go back. Which kind be this one?
Like this age be that. Somebody why manage enter your latrine. They just since you remain small make I vomit my placenta. You know gonna nonsense. What I know do me where it you know how much motor where they enter for this person where get this house here. If you carry me, I won't say home, see man, I won't say home, Chief Francis. If Francis carry me for a motor, now AC. Your own no need cuckoo, everything. It be like saying or wabo no nature or that way ban on mode major. Or we back come no need.
Okay.
Singa go back, you know how much hot water I go buy with the toll lunge jar. Number on a motor, walk up another. What can live?
I don't want to know you. I don't want to know you. I don't want to know who you be. You see what you happen now? If you don't to other people, go scot free. You know go scot free. They go back to that place.
Hey.
Okay, they go back.
Hey. No be me not tell you make you no learn better English. Small girl there where suppose direct you. Give English, you can pay can't. You can't take your English, they break am like.
You say you sabi the road now?
I sabi road, not be where the guy sabi so. I go sabi my own, sabi your own. What else me? How I go sabi my own address, sabi your own, I be your mate, I be your kabu man. You not even have to say a cent like me when no they fit talk. Enter your nonsense motor.
Fuel why not get you? Don't tell me the worker.
You know
run around.
You not get to fuel. You go carry person motor. Take and they do. You know where you boot to no. You didn't want Togo where I can come couple. Ghana obola ebe mod me genere here na Onitsha. On Ghana ekumia. Ito 40. Gi bianga. Mo take okay on industry. I'm making a Germany.
I don't blame you.
Bring in good
I don't blame you. Now, comfort will give me better address, not the blame. Now, comfort.
Comfort will comfort you. You know what? Only one I comfort to me. Everybody don't comfort to me.
No. Stay there, make I just climb you there.
You go climb me. Oh, this. It's a nigga climb wine. Why you are Balahanago? Hey, who got here? You want to go climb the woman?
Ticket man! Ticket man! I'm not here.
On your carton. Woo! That one on walker. You will have them take them no give them apple. They do one nation. Hey! Hey! Yeah, you my brother Jabragos. Why they not go give you wrong address? Why? Tell me reason why they not go give you wrong address. Hey, the queen is on the memo to get can get you go push. This is not for the credit, this is not for one, but when get power, when Ben, when I had a kangana for bush. Rika, bye, yo. Malon Jonia Anna Malonji. Hey, if we put on a wine, God will both of Fepla. Where he knows and God a man on habitus. We are Glibat to Abrango. Glibat to Chibugo Branga. Jen Medima Adrua Carolina, amigo. Oh, Ndobo. Okay, man, them party. No. Oh, I don't know what happened.
What happened?
As you just come out, I remember the address. Makachineka, I don't remember that place. All those things where I talk, and I do to you. You know, your name is Plank. I do Plank to you.
Look at that Plank you did to me.
Plank. Fine boy, you beautiful.
Okay, you don't remember the place now.
I know there. Now somewhere there along the side. Hey, Namo. You carry your motor to me run that fast. May you run over. See, I go.